compassionate commitment to change. It is our driving force, our mantra to participate actively in the life of society and the global community. It grows in consciousness of our dignity and personal purpose in engaging the world. We act on the world in freedom, responsibility, and community to build a good society. We draw inspiration from the university's mission of developing men and women for others. Our mission is to empower and develop communities in and with the spirit of Ignatian tradition. As the Jesuit University in Bicol, we are geared towards producing graduates with social orientation and personal commitment to help resolve the social problems of our society. We understand the structural and cultural roots of injustice in social institutions. We advocate social changes that assist victims of injustice in gaining their rights and regaining their dignity. We promote family unity and foster family service in the community. We serve others and find fulfillment in serving the poor. We affirm the glory of God in ourselves and in all creation and cares for life and the natural environment. We serve as catalysts for change and as instruments of service to those in need. We do more, strive for more, and give more. We do not only develop people or transform communities, but instead, we make sure that our people are nurtured and empowered to face the challenges of life. We are the Center for Community Development of the Ateneo de Naga University, embodying Ignatian service towards the Bicolanos and beyond.